Let's see what happens. Tasha ends up on top. Tasha's in the guard, working her ground and pound. Tasha's one of the hardest hitters I've seen in the female division. Heather's working for that triangle. Triangle's in deep. Let's see if Tasha can survive it. And there it is, submission. Hurricane Heather Wilson.
Taken. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow